I want to talk quickly about blending modes. Blending modes are essentially a method for blending one or more images together. I've loaded up a new image in another tab right here. I'm going to have our move tool equipped. Left click and hold, drag over to this tab, don't let go, then come down here until your pointer changes to this and let go right in the middle here. And right away, when you drag it over, it should brighten or change color. And this is because it's under our adjustment layers. So if we move it to the top, just left click and wait until you see that blue bar, bring it all the way to the top, you can see that now our adjustment layers are no longer affecting our image here, and it looks exactly like this one over here. So in order to blend this, we need to make sure this layer is selected, and then you'll see this drop-down menu right here. It should say normal, and if you go ahead and click it, you get a whole ton of options, and you can already see I'm scanning over this and I'm getting crazy effects. But for now, let's go ahead and press lighten, for example. And you can already see that we're sort of getting this kind of blending image together. Now, all these options here are different blending modes, and they're all going to do something different. They're going to take sort of an element from your image and somehow blend it in with your other image. So with lighten, essentially what's happening here is it's taking all the darks and sort of getting rid of it and just keeping the lightest parts like this. So if I go back here, you see we have all these dark parts, so it's just going to get rid of all of those. Now, there's no really great way of finding out what blending mode is right for you. So the best way I can recommend is just go through all of them. And the easiest way to do that is if you open up the drop-down menu and just select normal. If you go on your keyboard and hit the up or down arrow, let's hit the down arrow because we're at the top, you will start to scroll through. You can see that's changing here. Scroll through all these blending modes and see what they do. So for example, darker color is the opposite of lighten, keeping the dark colors and removing the lighter colors. So we're just going to go down till we find something interesting. Just keep going down. They're all different. And let's take color. Color. This is giving a we're definitely going into a more abstract area now, but let's do color. It gives a pretty interesting effect. Now, you probably won't use this often, but if you do, it really can make some interesting effects. And again, you can use opacity here. You can lower it, and it will start to take away from that effect. So if I put it at 0, this is what we had before, and I can start to bring that up and put it where I like. And I can also move it around. You can see some things happening there. Again, you won't use it often, but it's just good to know that these are here to create some more interesting effects.